Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your Wi-Fi icon not showing problem on Windows 10 or 11. So in this case, just go here, search option and write troubleshoot settings. Now just click here on this thing, additional troubleshooters. Now you'll find it the first option, internet connection. Just click on this and you'll find here the run the troubleshooter. Just click on run the troubleshooter and wait for some while. It will detecting the problems. Okay, you can see here, do it again. Please hold on. Okay, you can see here the troubleshooter couldn't identify the problem. That means you don't have any problem with it, but I don't have any problem with it. But if you find anything, you have to solve it from here. It will show the problem here, then you have to click on it and you have to solve on it. Okay, after completing this step, just cross and go here and write Windows plus R, then write here ncpl.cpl ncpa.cpl, this one. Now click on this. Okay, then you'll find here this Wi-Fi icon. You can see here, right? Just right click and make it disable at first. After disable, click on enable again, like this. Disable and now enable again. Okay, now I'm pretty sure that your problem will be fixed, but if you still finding problem, you have to restart and check back again. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.